베스트셀러 소설 미저리 시리즈를 마감하고 있는 오늘의 주인공 소설작가 폴. 자신만의 루틴대로 마감 파티를 즐기던 그는 다른 작품도 시도해보기 위해 미저리 시리즈를 마무리하고 싶어 했고, 주인공 미저리의 죽음으로 끝이 난 원고를 제출하며 시리즈를 끝마치게 됩니다. 휴식 겸 다음 작품을 준비하기 위해 여행을 떠나려던 폴은 미처 날씨를 확인 못하며 폭설을 만나게 되고, 결국 눈길이 미끄러져 사고가 나고 맙니다. 크게 다친 채 의식을 잃어가는 폴에게 다행히 누군가 다가와 능숙하게 응급처치를 하고 폴을 구조하게 됩니다. 의식이 돌아온 폴은 우연히 자신의 팬인 애니가 자신을 구조했고, 간호사인 그녀가 자신을 치료해주며 목숨을 구해줬다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
You've been here 2 days. My name is Annie Wilkes. That's right. I'm also a nurse. Take these.
애니는 폴을 극진히 보살펴주는데
They're called non.
눈보라로 인해 길과 전화선이 끊겼다 말해줍니다.
How come I'm at hospital?
The blizzard was too strong. I couldn't risk trying to get you there. I tried calling, but the phone lines are down. You mustn't tire yourself.
폴은 어깨와 다리가 크게 골절된 상태였고 길이 뚫릴 때까지 휴식을 취하라 말하는 애니.
It's not gonna hurt forever, Paul. I promise you. I was a little stubborn, but I finally popped it back in. Doing what I had around the house, I don't think there's a doctor who could have done any better. I could hear the bones moving, so it's best for your legs to remain immobile. And as soon as the road's open, I'll take you to a hospital. And I consider it an honor that you'll do it in my home.
This is Marcia Sindel. I'm calling from New York City.
뉴욕에 있는 저작권 대리인 마샤가 연락 두절된 폴에 대해 보안관에게 신고를 하게 되고,
Paul Sheldon, the writer?
Paul's been coming to the Silver Creek Lodge for years to finish his books.
I understand he's been up here the last 6 weeks.
Called there and they said he checked out last Tuesday. It's just that his daughter hasn't heard from him, and when he has a new book coming out.
You think he might be missing, huh?
보안관은 상황을 확인하고 연락을 주겠다 말합니다.
Reported out here, but if anything turns up, I'll call you right back.
We got a phone call. Busy morning.
Virginia, when was that blizzard?
Tuesday. Why?
I guess it was kind of a miracle you finding me.
No, it wasn't a miracle at all. In a way, I was following you.
You were following me.
Seeing as how I'm your #1 fan and all. On down there and sit outside and look up at the light in your cabin and
Say the last part again. I didn't hear you.
don't move now. I've read everything.
애니는 덤덤하게 자신이 폴을 지켜보았다는 사실을 말했고,
All done.
When do you think the phone lines will be up?
The roads are open. The phone lines will be up in no time. You give me their numbers, I'll keep trying them for you. Could I ask you a favor? I know
폴은
this
가방
is
속
the
새
case
원고를
with
보고
this new
싶어하는
Paul
애니에게
Sheldon book.
원고를 보여주게 됩니다.
If you wouldn't mind.
Who reads my stuff at this early stage? Only my editor, my agent, but it saves me from freezing to death in a car wreck.
You'll never realize what a rare treat you've given me.
보안관은 폴이 마지막으로 묵었던 숙소를 조사해보지만
Anything out of the ordinary?
Drives up from New York in the same car.
특별한 점은 발견할 수가 없었고,
I sure hope nothing's happened to him.
So do I.
I know I'm only 40 pages into your book. Well, it's brilliantly written.
Pretty rough stuff.
The swear.
폴의 원고를 읽었던 애니는 내용이 고상하지 않다는 이유로 갑자기 흥분하며 무섭게 돌변하더니
Bastard of a check! Give me some of your Christing money!
Oh, Paul, I'm sorry. Sometimes I get so worked up. You ever
때친 김에
forgive me?
폴에게 고백까지 해버립니다.
I love you, Paul. Your creativity. That's all I meant.
Stop.
What?
Stop!
What?
지역을 순찰하던 보안관은
See that broken limb?
폴의 사고 지역을 발견하게 되지만 눈이 너무 많이 쌓여 차를 발견하지 못하게 됩니다.
You really think Sheldon's out there?
I hope not.
Look what I got.
폴이 미저리의 초판을 구매해온 애니에게 바깥 상황을 묻는데
And the roads are open.
Well, the one to town is, but that's about it. And I told him who you were and what had happened. And as soon as the road to the hospital is open, they'll send an ambulance.
The phone's working.
그녀는 아직 병원까지 길이 막혀 있었으며 폴의 대리인에게 현재 상황은 전달해 놓았다고 거짓말합니다.
I peeked at the very beginning, like a visit from my oldest,
We're
dearest
supposed to be
friend.
home for our birthday. It's today.
폴은 연락을 하지 못하고 있는 상황을 불안해했지만 애니는 오직 그의 작품에 대한 얘기만 할 뿐이었죠. 그리고 잠시 후 방으로 돼지 한 마리가 들어오게 되고 소설을 읽은 뒤 미저리라는 이름의 돼지를 키우게 됐다는 애니의 말에 폴은 그녀가 소설에 대한 광기가 심하다는 사실을 인지하게 됩니다.
And I got misery here. Everything changed.
She's a fine pig, is what she is.
I'm on page 300 now, Paul. And it's better than perfect. It's divine. When my husband left me, I wasn't prepared. It wasn't an easy time.
힘들었던 시간을 이겨주게 만들었던 소설 미저리를 사랑하게 됐다는 애니.
That was when I first discovered misery. She made me forget all my problems. Suppose you had a little something to do with that, too.
Yeah.
Well, I'd love to stay here and chat, but I'm right at the end, and I gotta find out what happens.
하지만 그날 밤 소설의 결말을 읽은 애니가 폴을 찾아왔고
Dirty bird. How could you? Misery Chastain cannot be dead.
Thinking Misery Spirit is still alive.
I want her! And you murdered her!
I didn't.
Who did?
She just slipped away.
Slipped away! You did it! You murdered my misery!
미저리의 죽음에 극도로 분노한 애니는 결국 본색을 드러내게 됩니다.
And don't even think about anybody coming for you, because I never called them. And you better hope nothing happens to me, because if I die, you die.
공포에 젖은 폴은 통증을 참아가며 간신히 문 앞까지 다가갔지만 방문은 굳게 닫혀 있었죠.
No, Miss Sindel, there's no point in coming up here now. Yes, we're working close with the state police and the FBI's.
According to the check on Sheldon's credit charges, there's nothing after the Silver Creek.
You poor dear thing. What are you doing on the floor? Let me help you back in. Oh. There you go. First, there's something you must do. I asked God about you. You may show him the way.
방법을 찾았다 말하던 애니는 폴이 작성한 원고를 가져와 그에게 불태우라 말했고
You must rid the world of this filth.
You want me to burn my book?
I know this may be difficult for you.
My agent made dozens of copies. There's going to be an auction in New York.
폴은 복사본이 있어서 소용없다 둘러대보지만 이미 그의 습관을 알고 있던 애니에게 거짓말이 들통나게 됩니다.
I know this is the only copy, Paul, but they did, and ever since you've never made any copies because you're superstitious. You told that story to Merv Griffin 11 years ago.
It doesn't ever have to be published. No one ever has to read it.
As long as it does exist, your mind won't ever be free. Can't you see it's what God wants?
그럼에도 폴이 주저하자 애니는 그의 몸에 기름을 붓기 시작했고
Help me help you.
폴은 어쩔 수 없이 어렵게 쓴 새 원고를 불태우게 됩니다.
You're doing the right thing. Oh my goodness! Goodness! Well, isn't that a newbie mess? Here's your novel.
애니가 이렇게 그의 원고를 태운 이유는 폴에게 새로운 원고를 쓰게 함이었고
Your new studio.
What in the world do you think I'd write?
I don't think. I know.
미저리가 살아 돌아오는 내용으로 소설을 다시 쓰도록 폴을 압박하게 됩니다.
Misery's Return. It'll be a book in my honor.
This is not the ordinary way in which books get written.
You just inhale that.
폴은 최대한 애니의 비위를 맞춰주며 상황을 모면해 보려 하는데
I got you this expensive paper to type on.
There is just one little thing. See, it's Carasable bond and it smudges. Went back into town, you could bring me some white long-grain Mimeo.
So I don't see how it can smudge.
애니가 준비한 용지가 인쇄용이 아니어서 번지게 되고
It does smudge after all.
I'd like for you to.
자신의 성의가 무시당했다고 생각이 든 애니는 또다시 분노하게 됩니다.
Anything else I can get while I'm in town?
Just the paper will be fine.
Because if you want, I'll bring back the whole store for you.
What's the matter?
I'll tell you what's the matter. I go out of my way for you. And what thanks do I get? Oh, you bought the wrong paper, Annie. Get your stupid paper, but you just better start showing.
애니가 나간 사이 폴은 발견해둔 오핀으로 방문을 열었고
Written about this, not do it.
거실에서 전화를 발견하지만 작동을 하진 않았습니다.
You crazy bitch.
수면 제약을 발견하고 바지 속에 숨기던 폴은 불현듯 애니가 돌아오는 느낌을 받으며 다시 방으로 돌아가려 했고
Paul, I've got your paper. Just the kind you asked for. Paul, dripping with perspiration. What have you been doing?
I've been sitting here suffering. I need my pills. I want my pills now.
통증으로 괴로워하는 연기를 하며 위기를 모면하게 됩니다.
It just breaks my heart to see you like this. I've done a lot of thinking on the drive. The main reason I've never been more popular is because of my temper.
Who doesn't let off a little steam every once in a while?
Here,
Yeah, well, I wouldn't expect too much.
think of me as your inspiration. I have faith in you, my darling. Mwah!
경찰은 헬기 수색을 통해 폴의 사고 차량을 발견하게 되지만
We know that he somehow managed to crawl outside. Undoubtedly, he is buried somewhere out there in the snow.
단순 사고사로 조사를 마감하게 되고 보안관은 차의 흔적을 확인하며 누군가 폴의 곁에 있었다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
He never crawled out of that car by himself.
수면제 약을 모아 반격을 준비하는 폴.
I'm sorry, Paul. This is all wrong. It's not worthy of you. Throw it all out.
I really value your criticism, but maybe we're being a little hasty here.
What you've written just isn't fair.
This isn't fair!
애니는 자신의 원하는 대로 소설이 흘러가지 않자 폴에게 화를 내기 시작했고
They always cheated like that in chapter plays.
Not with my misery. Misery was buried in the ground at the end, Paul. So you'll have to start there.
미저리가 고귀한 신분이 되는 내용이 나오고 나서야 만족하게 됩니다.
Is it fair? Should I continue?
You better. Oh, Paul. That misery had to be born of nobility, and I was right.
Yeah.
Oh, misery's alive! Misery's alive!
Would you have dinner with me tonight?
반격의 기회를 만들기 위해 축하 파티를 제안하는 폴.
I hope you like it.
It looks wonderful. I've never had meatloaf this good. What do you do to it?
폴은 분위기를 잡으며 자연스럽게 애니에게 와인을 따라줬고
Let's have a toast.
A toast?
Let me pour you some wine.
No. To misery.
Let's do this right. Do you have any candles?
I don't know. I think so.
Study decorating, or do you just have a flare?
그녀의 잔에 몰래 약을 타는 걸 성공하게 되는데
Listen, if you can't find any, it's okay. I just thought it'd be nice.
Will this do?
It's perfect. To misery, Annie Wilkes. Brought her back to life.
Bumps every time I think about it. Oh. Sorry, Paul.
애니가 잔을 쏟아버리게 되며 계획이 틀어지고 맙니다.
Will you ever forgive me? Here, let me pour another one. To misery.
Misery.
Positively the best misery you've ever written.
그 뒤로 폴은 애니가 원하는 내용으로 방에 갇힌 채 글만 쓰고 있었는데 비가 와서 센치해진 애니는 이별할 시간이 다가왔다는 말과 함께
I only love the writer part of Paul Sheldon, but now I know I love the rest of him too. I know you don't love me. You're beautiful, brilliant. You'll never know the fear of losing someone like you.
Why would you lose me?
Book's almost finished. Your legs are getting better. Soon you'll be wanting to leave,
Why would I leave? I like it here.
but I'll bet it's not altogether true.
갑자기 총을 꺼내 보여주게 됩니다.
I have this gun. Sometimes I think about using it. I might put bullets in it.
공포에 젖은 폴은 주방에서 칼을 챙긴 채 거실에서 애니의 스크랩북을 발견하게 되고 그 안에서 그의 전남편을 포함한 수많은 주위 사람들이 희생되어 왔다는 걸 알게 됩니다. 칼을 감추며 반격을 준비하던 폴은 애니가 방에 들어오지 않자 내일을 기약하고 잠에 들게 되는데
See you in the morning.
어느새 다가온 애니가 그에게 마취 주사를 넣고 돌아섭니다. 다음날 깨어난 폴은 완전히 속박되어 있었고
I know you've been out.
What?
You've been out of your room. My little ceramic penguin in the study always faces due south.
Ceramic penguin.
Is this what you're looking for? I know you've been out twice, Paul. I found your key. I know I left my scrapbook out. But you see, Paul, it's all okay. Last night it came so clear. Don't worry, they didn't kill them. But they also had to make sure they could never run away. The operation was called hobbling.
그의 외출을 눈치챈 애니는 폴의 발을 고정시킨 채 망치를 들게 됩니다. 그리고 자신을 믿으라는 말과 함께 폴의 다리를 완전히 부서뜨리게 됩니다.
Just one more. God, I love you.
보안관은 우연히 상점에 들어서는 애니를 목격하게 되는데 왠지 낯익은 그녀의 모습의 기록을 뒤져보다 그녀가 과거 수많은 문제를 일으킨 사람이란 걸 기억해내고 그녀의 인터뷰 내용이 소설 미저리에 써있던 문구와 같았었다는 걸 확인하게 됩니다.
Hey, Pete, do you have any new Paul Sheldon books?
Had a batch. Sold them all out in 3 days.
You wouldn't happen to know if Miss Wilkes bought one of them, would you?
Time that fella writes a new book, she has me set aside.
You been buying anything odd lately?
No. Typing.
이어서 애니가 최근 종이를 계속 사갔다는 사실까지 알게 된 보안관은 조사를 위해 그녀의 집을 향했고 누군가 다가오는 소리에 애니가 폴을 기절시켜 지하실로 옮겨둡니다.
Continue to fight me. When are we going to develop a sense of trust? Oh my. What can I do?
방문한 보안관에게 애니는 태연스럽게 단지 폴의 팬일 뿐이라 둘러댔고
Quite some time now, and
I know, it's so upsetting. I've got all his books.
Mind if I take a look around?
Of course not. God told me to get ready.
Get ready for what?
To be his replacement. I was his #1 fan, that I should make up new stories as if I was Paul Sheldon.
신의 계시로 그를 새로 집필하고 있다고 변명하게 됩니다.
The last 4 weeks trying to write like Paul Sheldon, but I can't do it right.
Well, maybe it takes a while to get the hang of it. I don't want to take up any more of your time. I best be going. Perhaps I could pay you another visit sometime.
특이점을 찾지 못해 돌아가려던 보안관은 지하실에서 이상한 소리를 듣게 되고
Miss Wilkes?
Here! I'm down here!
다시 돌아와 그곳을 확인하려던 순간
Mr. Sheldon?
보안관을 처리한 애니는 이제 때가 되었다며 함께 세상을 떠날 준비를 하겠다는 무서운 말을 하게 되는데
You and I were meant to be together forever. But now our time in this world must end. I put 2 bullets in my gun. One for you and one for me. Oh, darling, it'll be so beautiful. Now don't be afraid. I love you.
I love you too.
폴은 시간을 벌기 위해 애니를 이해하는 척하며 미저리 마감은 끝내야 하지 않겠냐고 그녀를 설득하게 됩니다.
We have the power to give misery eternal life. We must finish the book.
Soon others will come.
It's almost finished.
I'll fix you something to eat. Does she wind up with Ian or Winthorne?
You'll know very soon. Just started the last chapter.
그렇게 마감을 앞둔 폴은 애니에게 루틴 파티를 부탁했고
You don't know.
And you have just one glass of champagne. Dom Perignon.
Dom Perignon it is. Get the champagne.
그의 습관을 알고 있던 애니가 담배와 술을 준비하게 됩니다.
Did I do good?
Except for one thing. This time we'll need 2 glasses.
Oh, Paul.
챙겨둔 기름을 원본에 두른 폴은 복수의 말을 건네며 그것에 불을 붙였고
Nobody knew who Misery's real father was. It's all right here. Does she finally marry Ian? Or will it be Winthorne?
Paul, you can't!
애니가 불붙은 원본에 정신이 팔린 사이 타자기로 그녀를 내려치게 됩니다. 둘의 처절한 몸싸움이 시작됐고 폴이 애나의 눈을 공격하며 시야를 잃은 애니는 자판기에 머리를 찔고 쓰러지게 됩니다. 시간은 18개월이 지났고
This is it. Very first copy. And my contacts at Time and Newsweek tell me they're both
대리인은
raised.
폴에게 애니에 대한 일로 소설을 써보는 게 어떻겠냐고 제안하게 되는데
How would you feel about a non-fiction book?
I dredge up the worst horror of my life just so we can make a few bucks.
아직도 사건에서 완전히 벗어나지 못하고 있는 폴의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다.
I just want to tell you I'm your #1 fan.
It's very sweet of you.
영화 잘 보셨나요? 영화 미저리는 1991년에 개봉한 미국 스릴러 영화입니다. 영화는 탁월한 연기와 연출로 크게 잔인한 장면 없이도 스릴이 넘쳤던 영화로 무섭다기보단 두려운 느낌의 감정을 잘 표현했던 작품이었습니다. 특히 애니 역의 캐시 베이츠는 그의 여우주연상을 휩쓰르며 연기를 인정받았고 광기에 젖은 집착 연기를 가장 완벽하게 했다는 생각이 들었기에 평소 해당 장르를 좋아하시는 분들께 풀영상 시청을 추천드립니다. 오늘도 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사히 말씀드리고요. 즐거운 감상 되셨다면 좋아요와 응원 댓글 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다. 이상 쿠쿠무비였습니다.